Carlson, and the number 26 gets the Angry Beaver Award. They liked a lot of his hits right at the beginning, but unfortunately just had to call it quits there, but he does get the Angry